everyone, it's Zoey here again. Today I'm bringing you a Halter dress design made for moms and kids. This design is crafted from linen fabric with a loose fit that's perfect for those who love a relaxed and comfortable style. I have distilled my knowledge into writing 5 ebooks. These drafting pattern books focus on guiding you through the steps of creating sewing patterns for specific body types: inverted triangle, pear, apple, hourglass, and straight body shape. They also help you understand body shape, body proportions, and offer solutions for achieving balance and harmony in body proportions so that you can create patterns tailored to yourself. The link will take you to an overview ebook about different body shapes, variations within shape categories, and how to get the book. Please find the link in the description box. Now, let's get to the main part of the video. This is a sewing pattern, and you can find the download link in the description box. For the right sides together, place the pattern pieces and cut them out. First, I'll start with the back. Sew the 2 back pieces together along the center back seam. Using the magnetic seam guide makes sewing in the straight line and maintaining an accurate seam allowance easy. Trim the straight edge of the back seam allowance from half an inch to 1/8 of an inch. Fold the seam allowance toward the trimmed side. Then toe stitch. This creates a flat felt seam. And press. Next, make the pleats on the back. The pleats should face toward the center of the back. Then hand stitch to secure the pleats. Repeat these steps for the front. Place the right sides of the front and back together to sew the side seams. Finish the side seams with a flat felt seam, following the same process at the center back seam. Next, finish the raw edge of the armhole. Place the right side by step on the wrong side of the fabric. Then sew 0.7 centimeters from the edge. Wrap the bias tape around the armhole to cover the seam you just soldered, then to stitch. And press. Then make the small strap about 5 centimeters long. Create a buttonhole. Fold the right sides together. I used a sewing needle with threading at the end of the needle, knotting the thread at the end, and stitch it one end of the buttonhole. You can use loop turner to help turn the buttonhole right side out. Turn it right side out. Insert the buttonhole between the two right sides of the back pieces. Sew 0.2 centimeters from the center line. And sew 1.27 centimeters from the fabric edge. Use scissors to clip close to the seam, about 0.2 centimeters away, without cutting through the seam. On the front, sew 1.27 centimeters from the fabric edge, stopping at the corner. Lift the needle down and raise down press the foot. Bring the thread piece between the two front pieces on either side of the needle until it touches the needle itself. Use hand to keep this thread taut. Put the press the foot down and sew one stitch, leaving the needle down. Now, pull the thread on the right side over to the left around the base of the needle. Hold both threads in left hand. With the needle still down, turn the neck to sew the next side. Pull the thread tail as far left as possible. So it's out of the way when you start stitching. This way, you trap the thread tail between the two stitches that meet at the corner. Sew the front neckline curve. I will insert the threaded sewing needle to turn it right side out. You can use a loop turner to have turned the collar right side out. Use scissors to clip close to the seam, about 0.2 centimeters away, without cutting the stitching line. For sharp corners, trim the corner without cutting the seam line. Turn it right side out and press. After pressing, remove the stitching to sew the shoulder seams together. Remove any excess threads. Insert the front piece between the two back pieces and sew the shoulder seams together. Trim the corners and turn it right side out. Hand stitch to keep the seam allowance in place. Then attach the neck piece and dress bodies together, placing and securing the bodies between the collar layers. The seam allowance should be 1.27 centimeters. Then toe stitch. I hand base stitch before machine sewing, which made it easier to handle the fabric. Lastly, hand stitch the dress. And press. I've guided you through sewing the Halter dress, and the steps to sew the child's dress are the same as for the adult version. Hope you enjoyed this week's tutorial and see you next time. Bye!